Attraction. It's that magnetic pull we feel towards another, an invisible force that draws us closer, a spark that can ignite a flame, setting our hearts ablaze with passion and curiosity. It's a universal language, yet so deeply personal, unique to each connection we form. We've all felt it, that heart-fluttering moment when our eyes meet across a crowded room, a silent conversation that speaks volumes. Scientists tell us it's about pheromones, those invisible signals we send out, influencing our subconscious. Others say it's all about shared values, that meeting of minds that makes us feel seen and understood. Maybe it's a bit of both, a beautiful dance of biology and shared experience, intertwining to create something magical. One thing's for sure, attraction is a powerful force, capable of changing our lives in profound ways. It drives us to connect, to build relationships, to find love, and to seek companionship. But understanding its intricacies can feel like navigating a labyrinth, full of twists and turns. That's what we're here to explore, together, as we delve into the mysteries of human connection. Let's unravel the secrets of attraction, shall we? Join us on this journey. The age-old question, to play hard to get, or to wear our hearts on our sleeves. It's a dilemma that has puzzled many for generations. Some swear by the power of mystery, believing that holding back keeps the chase alive and adds an element of excitement. Others believe honesty is the best policy, arguing that vulnerability is the key to genuine connection and deeper relationships. The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Every relationship is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. It depends on you, your crush, and the unique dynamic you share. Understanding each other's personalities and preferences is crucial. But here's a thought. Authenticity always wins. Being genuine in your interactions can never go wrong. Be true to yourself, whether you're naturally a playful flirt or a straightforward soul. Embrace who you are. When you're genuine, you radiate confidence, and that's undeniably attractive. Authenticity not only builds trust, but also fosters lasting connections. Did you know our bodies speak volumes before we utter a word? Our gestures, postures, and even the smallest movements can convey a wealth of information about our feelings and intentions. A lingering glance, a playful touch, the way we lean in when we're engaged. These subtle cues send powerful messages. They can indicate interest, attraction, and even affection without a single word being spoken. Smiling is a universal sign of warmth and openness. It's like saying, "Hey, I like you." A genuine smile can break the ice and create an instant connection, making the other person feel valued and appreciated. And don't underestimate the power of vulnerability. Sharing a personal story or revealing a hidden passion can forge a deeper connection. It shows that you're willing to open up and be real, which can encourage the other person to do the same. Spatial awareness matters too. Standing too close can feel invasive, while being too distant might signal disinterest. Find that sweet spot, where you're close enough to connect, but give them space to breathe. This balance can make interactions more comfortable and natural. And then there's humor. Laughter is a powerful bonding tool, creating a sense of shared joy. Sharing a laugh can lighten the mood and make both of you feel more at ease. But remember, humor is subjective. What tickles one person might fall flat with another. Pay attention to what makes your crush laugh and mirror their style. This shows that you're attentive and willing to engage on their level, which can be incredibly attractive. Section 4. Authenticity, your most attractive trait. Here's the secret weapon in the game of attraction. Being yourself. Cliché? Maybe. But it's true. Trying to be someone you're not is exhausting and ultimately unsustainable. Embrace your quirks, your passions, your unique perspective. That's what makes you interesting and attractive. People are drawn to authenticity, to those who are comfortable in their own skin. And respect is non-negotiable. Treat your crush with kindness, listen to them, value their opinions. Attraction flourishes in an environment of mutual respect and admiration. Section 5. The power of shared experiences. Remember that first date jitters? The excitement of discovering new things together? Shared experiences create lasting bonds. They give you something to talk about, something to laugh about, something to remember. Invite your crush to do something you both enjoy. A hike in nature, a concert, trying that new restaurant everyone's talking about. These shared moments create memories and deepen your connection. And don't underestimate the power of simply spending time together. Talking, laughing, sharing stories. These seemingly ordinary moments can be the most meaningful. Section 6. A tapestry of perspectives. Your stories matter. Attraction is a multifaceted experience shaped by our individual stories, cultural backgrounds, and personal preferences. What works for one person might not work for another. And that's okay. We're all on our own journeys of connection. So tell me, what are your experiences? What strategies have worked for you? What lessons have you learned along the way? Share your stories, your insights, your questions. Let's learn from each other and navigate the beautiful complexity of attraction together.